guys, hello guys. Today we are going to watch Gymkhana 2020. So this is a video sent to us by one of you guys, and they told us that it's about something car racing. And I like car racing a lot. When I was young, so I used to watch a lot of car racing. Even now, I watch Formula One, and that is something I love. But like, what is this? Like Travis Pastrana takeover? It is something. It is not looking like NASCAR because I have seen NASCAR videos too. It's something new. I'm very interested to watch.
And at first I heard this name Gymkhana. I thought it's some Indian name. It feels like some Gymkhana.
Yeah.
And I thought I honestly don't know anything about cars, and I thought it's like related to gym.
So let's watch this.
Video. Why they've named Gymkhana?
Subaru. I've heard this brand. 2.3 liter boxer. 862 horsepower. Woo! But why are police cars going in front of it?
Oh, Mace.
Is he in jail?
Dynasty.
Travis Pastrana.
He's Travis.
Monigan.
Oh.
I think
I'm
this is
ready.
the tournament, Gymkhana 2020.
Yeah.
Woo! He just started the car. And it's like, whoa!
It feels like it's about to fly.
Oh, wow!
Woo!
He's in a city.
I was not expecting this.
He's in a city. He's not on a racetrack.
I thought it's just a road.
Yes.
Normal road.
Oh my god.
I've seen this thing in games.
It's a game.
Yeah. Oh boy. Crazy, crazy, crazy.
Oh, see?
Ah!
What is that gear? Oh wow. How can he drift so perfectly?
Oh my God.
He's actually driving God. Wow.
What a control he has.
Oh, that's a nice way to take a roundabout. Oh my god.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Loving this.
It's giving me chills. The tortoise doesn't care.
If I would have been there, I would have thought that it's some wind or something because he's too fast.
I would have thought he's crashing.
Oh, what was that?
Yeah, why is an animal on a roller skate?
Ah!
Oh.
Oh!
How can you synchronize that?
There's not a competition going on.
Oh wow. It's melody.
I've seen this thing in reels.
How is that possible?
Oh my god. Confidence he has.
Wow.
Wow. Perfection.
Come on. No.
Stop it. People are so chill.
Yeah? They don't care?
Oh.
Oh! He went off!
Oh my god. Oh. This is crazy.
This is another level.
Magic.
Another level.
He has some superpowers.
Oh wow, finally a full road. Oh, in front! He's on airport! It's an airport! they got it on so many cameras.
Oh, this is making me relax. At least these are the empty roads.
He's giving me anxiety vibes because how close he's going with everything.
Yeah.
Finally in the hangar. Finally. Stop. Stop the car.
Park it, park it.
You are in the hangar. Stop it. Oh, he's going back. He's going back.
Woo!
Oh, no.
This is scary.
It's
This is
landing.
Very scary. Ah! Some competition is going on between both of them.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Wow. Is that allowed?
Oh my God.
Fly a plane so close?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Wow. What a road.
That is so smooth.
These look
I
beautiful.
want to drive here. Wow.
You know, even these roads are small, but what he has done already,
Yeah.
it's still fine.
Yeah.
100. And these are miles.
Ah,
25 the speed.
25. Oh no.
Oh my god, he's going so fast. And there are no barriers.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Oh.
I cannot imagine myself sitting with him. I don't want to. Never.
Oh my. Oh!
Oh,
Oh, he just flew.
this is a flying car.
It's magic.
Ah,
Wow. Oh.
it doesn't hurt.
His head banged.
It's so strong.
Calling? Not the time.
I'm gonna call him whenever I have to go to the home early and I'm late. You have
can't-
to drop me.
Not on Indian roads.
He can't drive.
Oh, he won the balloon. Oh,
Safe.
oh my
Oh
god.
my God, what is happening?
Finally. Oh, whoa, whoa,
I'm
whoa.
tired now. I don't know why.
Travis Pastrana, you are a god of
Genius.
driving.
Amazing.
Oh, this is 5-year-old guy. Pastrana land?
Oh. He teaches
Wow.
the people. Wow.
Oh, his sons are also doing the same thing.
Wow.
5 and 7-year-old.
Like father, like son.
Oh!
These are looking like a mosquitoes. Big ones.
Wow.
Wow.
What a car!
Woo! Crazy.
How?
Fears them. Crazy.
And now? Connor State, 9 years old. Oh my god.
Oh, no.
At 9 years he is doing this.
Wow. Woo!
Come on.
Crazy.
The youngest BMX double racer. Wow. What was that? That was exciting, thrilling, and also anxiety giving because the way he was driving so close, I just felt at the start, okay, he's going to do something, and on the tracks, and we see that race cars do that, but he was inside localities and houses, and he was driving nearby so close to everything. It was like even that part where he just jumped onto of the river and then he just drifted so well. and he can drift so amazingly. Like even he had to touch that thing that was hanging from his hood of the car, and he did that so amazingly.
This is crazy. Like I have never ever seen anything like this. Like I have seen like in cartoons and like the driving this way, or in like games I have seen the car races and all. Like I was, I used to think car races are boring, but after seeing this I'm totally shocked. And I was thinking that he's going to drive on the roads, but the moment that car flew and it was
Wow.
near the water, that was crazy. I was about to think he's going to die.
Because that plane thing was even more crazy. He went to the airport, the plane was flying so close to it. It is so scary even to see it. Like even when I go near a truck, I always take 2 or 3 distance, like 2 3 cars distance. Okay, like I'll stay away from it. But how he was going so close to a plane, no fear of crashing, nothing at all, and his focus was so good. I fell in love with him. So what do you guys think about it? Do let us know in the comment section below. So do like, share, and
Subscribe.
bye.